Hello beautifuls, and welcome back to my channel. This is Tiffany here, and welcome back to Living Beautifully. So it was one bright and cloudy day, and I thought it would be a good day to, go out and play in my hot tub. So I was all excited. I was like, ooh, hot tub day, hot tub day. So I went and I opened the top. And then it was not a good sight. Not a good look at all. I was very disappointed, but I had an idea. I remember purchasing the spa maintenance and cleaning kit, which came with your net and your brushes and like a mitt that you put on your hand to clean out the jacuzzi or the hot tub, if you want to call it that. And I also had my bromine tablets in the little container that's there. And that's why I didn't understand why the water was so murky, because I had the bromine in there and there was plenty still in the container. So who knows? I hadn't run the filters for a few days, so that may have been why it got murky. So because it was like that, I knew it was time to go ahead and clean it. So I broke out my handy dandy net and I went ahead and started cleaning out the jacuzzi. Gotta stop calling it jacuzzi. Cleaning out the hot tub. And got all the bugs and all the gook out. And the net is pretty cool. It does work wonders. So then my next step was to go ahead and check the filters. And before I started filming this, I had already cleaned them. And you have options with your filters. You can either clean them out with your hose, wash them out, or you can replace them. So probably next year I'll probably replace it. This year I haven't been in it too much, so I think cleaning it does the trick. And what you do once you get it open like that, you just take out the filter and you get your hose and you just spray the filter all around, inside and out, and make sure you get all the dirt out of it. You'll be surprised how much dirt actually shows up on those filters. And you do both of them. That was just one that I showed you. Like I said, before I filmed this, I had already cleaned the filter, and I just remembered that I needed to show you all. That is what I did. So remember, you do that with both of them. There are two filters in the inflatable hot tub. So then they were good once I cleaned them. And then next, the third thing that you can do, and this is in no particular order anyway, but you can check the pH. It's important that you get a pH kit to be able to test your water to make sure that everything is good. So what you do is you take your little stick, and it comes with plenty of sticks in the containers. And I got mine off of Amazon. You can get them anywhere. Walmart has them, Amazon of course. So you put it in, like, I think a foot down, and then you're supposed to go ahead and put that little stick on a flat surface while it dries, which I did not do. But then you compare it. The container has a little chart, which I will show you shortly. The container has a chart on it where you can measure up to make sure everything is in agreement with where it should be. So you just match up all the colors, and they have like a normal range. And if your colors fall within normal range, then yeah, you're ready to party in your hot tub. And if not, sorry, try again. So there's a closer view of that. And the cool thing about this particular one is that you can text that picture to the company, and then they'll send you a text back letting you know whether or not your levels are correct, which mine were. So then, like I said, this is really in no particular order. So then I had the spa clarifier, and you're supposed to have your filters running when you use this. Shake it out really good, and they have like a measuring tool on the side of it. Well, this particular brand does. And then when the first time you use it, you're supposed to do it double. So you just pour it in as long as your filters are running. And like I said, this was my first time putting it in, so I had to put the double amount. And I'm checking the measurement to see if I'm doing it correctly. And so once you do that, you just sit back and relax and let the filters run and do its job. And so I just sat there and decided to wait until my hot tub was a little bit clearer, and then I could enjoy it. So that works really well. I think that is important. At first I didn't buy that when I purchased my materials, but it is a good thing to pick up. So I think I'm going to give you guys a closer view. Yeah. And they have, other brands have it too. This is the particular, I can't talk. This is the particular brand that I have, the Spa Selections Clarifier. And I got that at Walmart. I think Walmart sells that brand. And that's the measuring tool that I was showing you. And I put the 2 there because your first time using it, like I said before, you double it. And they also have a little QR code thingy on there, but I can never get it to work. Here's another up close look at the pH balance. And then as you see, it is much clearer. And my bromine tablet thing is still in there. I added more tablets. I think I have about 3 or 4 of them in there. In my setup video, you'll see how many I put in there. And then I think I added 1 more when I did this part because I just didn't understand why it had gotten murky. And my jets are on, and I'm just about good to go. So everyone, as always, thank you again for watching. And please remember to like and subscribe. Please, please, please. Oh yeah, one more thing. Those are the seats that I had. In the earlier picture, you saw the seats. So 1 comes in the box. 1 each in each box. You can get that from Walmart and Amazon as well. And they really do come in handy. So once again, this is what I did in no particular order. You clean with the net. Change or clean your filters. And then you run your filters. Make sure you run your filters. Check on or add bromine or your chlorine tablets, whatever your choice is. Add your spa clarifier, and then of course you can enjoy. Thank you again. Yes, please subscribe and like if this video was at all helpful to you. And if you do have an inflatable hot tub, how do you like using it? How do you like it? What steps have you taken to keep it nice and clean? Thanks again, everyone. Take care. Please like it and subscribe. Have a great day. Bye.